Hello people, in this video I will show you how you sign up and get started with setting up your own website. So in this video I will teach you how you create an amazing website and how you sign up for this hosting provider. So they got really fast hosting, they got really great support, I highly recommend it. So you can always contact them if you need any help with something. So for your hosting, and you got different plans. They offer a few plans. So I'm gonna explain you step by step which plan you need and which plan you can order. So the first thing is you're gonna wanna say you need always hosting because you can't get online without hosting. So they're offering a lot of space for your website with the light plan. And with the startup plan, they're offering more. So if you have a small business, I will choose for the So you can get 20% off of annual plans and 10% off on monthly subscriptions. This is an amazing offer for you. So you can enter the coupon code YARYEN right over here. You will get discount and you can get started in no time with setting up your WordPress website. So I appreciate your time and I will show you soon how you install WordPress after this. So enter the code YARYEN and you can get started. And after this video, I will see you soon. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna install WordPress in the next lecture and get up and running really quick. Welcome people, in this video I will teach you what WordPress is. WordPress is a system. So you can create a website with WordPress. It's just like a system where you can create websites with. So you can choose from different designs and different themes and different plugins. If you're not familiar with themes and designs, I'm gonna explain you all step by step how you must use it. So right over here we have hosting. You need WordPress hosting because otherwise you can't store your website somewhere. Don't worry, if you don't know what I mean, I'm gonna explain you all step by step in the course. So we are using WordPress.org, and then you need hosting. So right over here, I will explain you everything, how to get hosting, how to install WordPress, how to continue, and how to get you up and running in no time. So I hope you like this video, and I will see you in my next lecture. People, welcome to the WordPress dashboard. In this dashboard, I'm going to teach you everything. We're going to go from the beginning up to the end of the dashboard, so we'll understand WordPress completely and quickly. So right over here, you got Jetpack. This is your site statics to trace how many visitors you got. Right over here are posts. You can have here all posts and add new. You have the media library for all your images. So you can drop down the images right over there. And right over here, you got pages. So here we go and create pages in WordPress. There they are. Here are the two default pages. You got comments, and this is for spam and for emails. We don't need it in this case. Here's the appearance tab. Right over here is themes, premium themes, editor, and customize. Don't worry, I will explain you step by step. Right over here, you got tools, available tools, import tools. This is for more advanced users. Right over here, you got settings. But we, in this course, we are going to need the post, the media, and the pages, and the customizer to start. So I will take you to the next lecture. Thank you. Now I will show you how you install the Elementor plugin. Right over here, I'm going to go to plugins, add new. Elementor is the most popular page builder in the world. So right over here, we're going to search for Elementor. And there it is. Here's Elementor, so I'm going to click on install now. And with the Elementor we can insert a theme and we can customize our website. So I'm going to click activate. Okay, so we already have activated the Elementor theme. So right now I'm going to go to starter templates, and after we installed the starter theme, we can customize the website with Elementor. So Elementor is compatible with every theme. So every theme that you have, you can use Elementor on it. Nearly every theme. So right over here, we will wait until it's loaded. Maybe it's a little bit slowly. Okay, get started. Build your website now with Elementor. And right over here, you can choose your design template, what I've explained you in a previous lecture. So right over here, I'm going to choose for, let me think, let's choose for the first theme. And right over here, we're going to install it. This theme is installing in another way than the previous theme. So I will click skip. It's looking beautiful in my opinion. We got a great theme. I'll change the colors right over here. And we can change the image a little bit if we want. And this was the lecture how you install starter themes and the Elementor template. Thank you. Welcome people, in this lecture I will show you how you create pages in WordPress. So right over here we got the pages tab. I'm gonna click on all pages. And right over here you got a lot of pages that I already created to practice. So right over here click on add new. And we will call this, for example, home tree. Remember the name, home tree. And we will publish this. And we'll create another page by clicking on this blue button. Add new. We will create another page called About Us Tree. Click on publish. And we are going to create another page again and click on add new. Right over here we're gonna create, let me think, contact us tree. And I will publish this, but it's not ready on the home page right now. I'm gonna explain you why. We don't have set this to a primary menu. So I click on visit the blog. And what you can see, we have those pages right over here that I previously created. So I'm gonna click on customize to activate your new pages. One moment please. Sorry for the slow loading. And right over here you click on menus. And right over here we're gonna create a new menu. Menu tree. And we will set this as primary menu. This is a really important step because if you don't have set it to primary menu, your pages won't appear. So I'm going to click on this. And look at this. This will change the way. This will change. So my menu, primary 2. No, not primary 2. Sorry, I'm confused a little bit. My menu. And you can delete these pages right over here. And delete. And delete. So there are no pages right now. And click on add items. And we will add home, contact us, about us, and home tree. No, that not. Okay, so right over here you can drag them above to change the position of the menu. As you can see, the menus are appearing here. So I will click publish. And you can rename this to whatever you want. Right over here, about us. I'll click on publish. Okay, this was the quick way how you can, not the easy way, but a good way to create your menus. And I will show you another really easy way in the next lecture. So we successfully created our pages right over here. When you click on those pages, they are still pretty empty. We're gonna create some contact us forms and about us page, and we'll customize the template. So that was it for this lecture. Thank you for this video. I will show you and explain you what a plugin is. A plugin is an extension for your WordPress website. For example, you want to trace your user statics, you want to create duplicate pages, you want to secure your WordPress website with plugins, or you want to have different kind of shopping modules in your website. So I will show you the plugins tab. Right over here, plugins, and these are the installed plugins on my site. So as you can see, the classic editor, Elementor, the most popular page builder, link is in the description, and right over here. So you have all those kind of type of plugins, and when you click on add new, you will be redirected to all the plugins of WordPress.org. So right over here, you can install, for example, Akismet against spam protection, Jetpack, classic widgets, Gutenberg, BuddyPress to make a social network, BBPress to create a form, and in the next lecture, I will explain you fully how to install this. It's really easy to install, don't worry, it's not difficult at all. So I will teach you in the next lecture how you install it. Thank you for watching. Alright, in this video I'm going to teach you how you log into your dashboard and install WordPress. I'm going to enter my email, for example, and I hit next. The customer control panel is loading right now, and we will wait until it's loaded. And WordPress is just a free program, so you don't need to worry about anything. I'm going to scroll down and click on install now, right over there by the blue install button. I will select my primary domain. I've hidden my domain for security reasons, and right over here I'm going to enter something, but you must keep this empty. Okay, and we go back, and here's your admin username. Change this to something else, something that you can remember. And right over here, the admin password. So I will change this to whatever you want. So be sure it's a secure password. I'm going to scroll down, and right over here, I'm going to think the classic editor. I'm going to sign it because we need the classic editor. I also show you in the course how you get that, so don't worry. And right over here, you have the templates, and I'm going to show you how you get free templates, and they are just beautiful. So I hope I will see you soon. And WordPress is installing now. I skipped the process, and there is your WordPress. In this lecture, we are going to install the SR theme. I'm going to navigate to Appearance, and then I navigate to Themes. Right over here, you can click on the Add New button. I'm going to click on the Add New button right now. Right over here, you can search for the most popular theme in WordPress, and that's the SR theme. So right over here, I'm going to install this by clicking on the blue button. And I will wait, and I will click Activate. Okay, let's visit our website to take a look how it looks. It's looking pretty empty, and if we go to the sample page, we just have installed the SR theme. So I will see you soon. So okay. Now we are going to set up our static page as the default home page. So I'm going to navigate to Appearance, Customize, and right over here we can select our home page. So I'm going to scroll down. This is a very important step, and right over here I'm going to select sample page. I already did it, but for you, you can do it right now. Okay. Hello people, in this lecture I will teach you what a plugin is. Navigate to plugins and add new. So a plugin is just like an extension. So you're binding with your website so you have extra functionality in your website. So right over here, for example, you have Jetpack or the classic widgets. So let me give you the best example. For example, you wanna don't have spam on your website. I highly recommend Akismet. So what a plugin is actually just a part of a part of programming that you can implement in the website. So, for example, if you want to build a membership website, you enter MemberPress, and you can install right over here your MemberPress website. So you will hit install, and then you will hit activate, and then you activated the plugin. So you can have different functionalities on your website. So that's really useful for if you want to build a community website or if you want to build a WooCommerce store. And right over here, you have the plugins. I highly recommend to keep them always up to date, because if you don't keep them up to date, there might be some security reasons. So keep them up to date. And if there's an update, click on update available and update it. That's my recommendation for this. So I hope you know what a plugin is. So a plugin can show here in your dashboard. So I hope you know now what a plugin is, and we're gonna install the plugin in the next lecture. Alright people, welcome to this new lecture. In this lecture I will teach you how you change your WordPress design. So to explain what a design is just a layout, just like how can you explain it, just like a theme. So it's changed the layout of your website. So we're going to navigate to appearance themes, and as we are at the theme section, you click on add new theme, and I'm gonna give you the best theme, and it's free to implement. So if you want, you can try this out, and you can click on customize, for example, or you can click on the customize button, and we're gonna dive into all the themes. So I've made a selection of themes. So right over here, this is with Gutenberg editor, new editor, and you can change the navigation of this. These are where all your menus are. For example, you have cart, you can edit this to something else, and that's how the navigation works. And right over here you have styles, and you can click on blue or mint and mint, and whatever you want. So you can customize a little bit, and this is how you use the editor. So if you want to click on templates, you have a lot of Gutenberg templates, but I prefer they are not good in this case. So I go back, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna search for another theme. So you will see that this content, what here stays like a committed to innovation, that is because that content stays the same, but the design is only changing. So right over here, click on add new theme, and you will click, for example, on preview, and now we can dive into the themes. So when I click on another, this is the website that you directly get. The Astra theme is the most popular theme because you can install a plugin that's going to show you soon, and then you can implement a lot of themes. And right over here, you can choose from this, and you can dive into this. So right over here, and I'm going to hit the install button. And once I hit the install button, I'm going to hit the activate button. Okay, so once I've hit the activated button for the Astra theme, it automatically launches the starter templates. So we're going to cover this in the next lecture, and this was it for this lecture, and I hope I'll see you in the next lecture. Okay, so now we're going to install a plugin for our default templates. Click on plugins and add new. A plugin is like a system that you can plug into your WordPress blog, and you have specific customizations. So right over here, I want to search for the let me think. Okay, we're gonna search. So I'm gonna search for the starter themes, and right over here you get a lot of starter themes. In this tutorial we're gonna use another system than we before did. We before did use the Elementor, WordPress and Beaver Builder templates in another course. Links in the description, resources. So you have a lot of options, and we can also try another one if you want to master WordPress. So here you have the Spectra theme. So the Spectra is with Gutenberg blocks with the classic editor. Not with the classic editor, with the new editor. So how can I hit activate, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it have connected us to the plugin. And what we now are going to do, we are going to navigate to the pages, all pages, and we will hit the page. So we are going to create new menus soon. We're going to create a page right over here. So I'll create a page right over here, and when I've created a page, we are going to customize it with the Gutenberg editor. Okay, so right over here we are in the page. You have here Gutenberg blocks. We just installed the plugin. That's right over here, I think. No, it's right over here, Spectra. So right over here you can insert all of kind of things. And the first what I want to show is welcome to this website. I will hit for example, I will hit publish button, and you can customize your site here, and we can customize the blog. I'm going to click on the library. Okay, these are the blocks that we got right now, so we can create a beautiful website with this. And right over here you have like a hero. I'm going to take this beautiful header right over here, and I'm going to edit it. I click on edit because we need to sign up with a page, and it navigates us to ZipWP, the EA builder. So I'm going to log in with one click. Hello people, in this quick lecture I will show you what the media library is. The media library is a library where you can upload all your images. So you manage all your images in WordPress right over here. So if you need an image, you have to look at the media library. So I will wait until it's loaded. A little bit slow connection, sorry for it. But right over here, we got all the images. And you can upload all your files right over here. And yeah, so this was a little quick lecture about how you manage your files in the media library. So right over here, and okay. Hello people, in this quick lecture I will show you what a post is. Navigate to the post, click on all post. A post is like an article that you can post on your WordPress website. So right over here you click on edit, so you can edit the post. So don't worry if you don't know what I mean, I'm gonna explain you step by step. So right over here you have like a post. Hello people, in this quick video I will teach you how to install the classic editor. So first I want to tell you what the classic editor is, because the new editor is really confusing for many people. So right over here you have like your post in your pages. So if you go to add a new post, right over here you can see that if you add a new post that we have used the Gutenberg editor. So it's working a little bit different. I prefer to use the basic classic editor. So I go back, and then we will install the classic editor. Right over here, click on plugins, click on add new. It's got millions of installs, as you can see, 10 millions of installs. So nobody likes the Gutenberg editor, I think, but we will try the classic editor right now. I will hit install, and I will hit activate. So when I hit activate, we have just changed the post editor. So I'm going to teach you step by step what it is. Don't worry, don't worry. Right over here, you have post. And when you now add the post, like when you edit the post, you will see that we have the classic editor. It's much better. So right over here, you can make your post, for example, for a blog, like blogging. And right over here you can enter the post. So and right over here you can give the post an image right over here, and what I've learned you in the previous lectures, that you can upload like images and kind of stuff. And if we set this image right over here, and if we update this, we have just created a post for a website. So right over here, as we go to the website, you will see that there is a post. I will preview the changes for the little blog post. Okay, so here is our post. So congratulations, you just created successfully a post. And you need to post because if you have a blog or a magazine website, you can easily change the post and change the design and the article. So that was a little bit lecture about how you install the classic editor and what the classic editor is. If you have any questions, don't forget to contact me, because no worries, and I will see you in the next lecture. In this lecture, I will teach you how you install the plugin to against spam. So right over here, you got like the comments section, what is right over here. Sometimes bad people paste a lot of comments on your WordPress website, so they will rank higher in Google. This is not legit, and I should highly not do this. Don't do this. And right over here, what I need to suggest to secure these things against those plugin spam is go to add new, and we will add the plugin Akesmet. It goes over 6 million installs, so your WordPress website will be have a filter, a spam filter against spam. So I hit install because spam can change the whole your whole website. It can destroy the ranking. Right over here, I click activate, and once it's activated, you're actually done and set. It was really easy to set this up, and we can also look, and now you are protected at spam. It's just a spam filter. So okay, and you don't have to worry about spam right now because you installed the plugin. Okay, I will see you soon. Hello people, in this lecture I will teach you how you create your very own website with the Gutenberg editor and WordPress. Right over here we have this settings. I'm gonna navigate to the design library. You get beautiful templates that you can import in one click. So you have patterns, pages, and kits, and you have favorites. So you can save your favorite templates right over here. I'm gonna navigate to the pages tab, and then I will navigate to kits, and right over here I will select like a beautiful template that we can edit. You can be up and running in no time. If you want to do it with a template like this, I highly recommend to do that. But you can also watch me how I select blocks. So if you're a beginner, it's maybe a little bit challenging. If you're further, you think, oh, what is this? This is easy. So I can understand. And right over here, we are going to implement this block right over here. I will click on insert. First, we need to access the library. Library is a zip-WP company, so you can upload the templates to a design. So I click get started. And once we are here, we click login with one click. It's really that easy. Okay, right over here, you are the dashboard. I will authorize. So right over here, we have our zip page. Okay, so we are logged in the design library, so we are connected. So right over here, we can choose templates. So you can also build a website with EEI, but first I want to show you this. So what we must do is like create a section, and we're gonna publish this soon, and we can make it a full width. So I'll make it full width. I'll make it custom or full width, medium height. So right over here, we already have a better website right now. Okay, so we're gonna delete this, and I'm gonna delete this also. And you can drag and drop a little bit, but if I publish, we're gonna look what we got right now. So if I publish right over here, we will wait until it's loaded, and I will add the view page. I hope all the content is right. If it's not, we can, yeah, it's right, nice. Okay, so we created just a website in minutes. So right over here, we have this website right over here, and we're gonna customize it now. So I'm gonna go on and click again and edit page. And where you're at the edit page section, we are going to insert some template kits. So right over here is our services. You can change this with drag and drop to whatever you want, like to welcome to this website. And so right over here, and we're gonna change the image because I don't like the image. It's good, but it's not good enough. So click the style, click choose image, media library, and you can also select free images. That's the good thing of hosting. You have free images implemented in your hosting package. So I'm gonna search for landscape or night sky or something else. So let me look. So right over here, beautiful images. In my opinion, you can create a beautiful website up and running in no time. So right over here, I like this one really, and this one. I'm gonna try this one. So it's just insert the image just in one click, and we will take a look how it looks. If it looks ugly, we change it. Okay, it is looking pretty cool, but it's not what I want. So I change the image again, and I will hit free images, and I will hit landscape. And once we are at the landscape, I'm here to select a better image. I want the best image right over here. I think it's right over here somewhere. I searched it, I used it before. So right over here, it's difficult to choose the image, but you can try. And okay, I'm out of my choose. I will choose this image right over here. So okay, let's choose this one. Insert this image. This one looks really good, and I will insert it, and we will look what it looks like. Okay, this is looking professional in my opinion. So we're gonna change this a little bit to design like a pro. You can design good. This is for your beginners, but I hope you will learn a lot, and we will add more sections right over here. You just can delete this in the Gutenberg editor. You can upload your own images, but first I want to look how the site looks right now, because I want to look how it looks. So right over here, we click on saving, and then we click on preview please, view page. Okay, and right over here is the page. It's looking really professional in my opinion. So this is our website right now, and you can add a contact form, you can add whatever you want, but this is just basic. So this is looking amazing. I want to change it a little bit, so I use the customizer. So right over here. Hello people, in this video I will show you how to set up your homepage in your WordPress website. Navigate to your website, and we're going to use the customizer to set the static homepage, because we now have known homepage. So I'm going to show you how to create menus and how you design this. So changing the menus and adding the homepage. Right over here we have the default site title. So I'm going to change. So type whatever you want for your domain name. I mean for your name, for your menu, and for your logo. You can upload the logo right over here. You can adjust the designs right over here. You can change this, the front end, and text. So I write design. This is the name of your website. Put in your own website name right over there. Hit the publish button, and then I will go to the homepage to set the correct homepage. I'll click on shop. This is not the correct one, but I want to show you how it works. Okay, I go back and I select this homepage. Okay, that's looking beautiful. We got our beautiful page and our site is set up in minutes. I will see you in the next lecture. Alright, so this is just the site that we created with Gutenberg plugins, with the Gutenberg editor. So now I'm going to show you a really fast way to get up and running in minutes. I want to help you with your website and that you will succeed. So what I want to do is give you the best methods. So right over here, I click on Get Started for the templates, and we're going to just import a website in one click. Yes, it's that easy. So right over here, you can see a lot of templates to import. Some are premium, but in this course you can use the free. I highly recommend to use free themes. But if you prefer, you can also take a paid theme. I also prefer that. So right over here, I'm going to take this beautiful UI UX design template and we will load. So right over here, we're going to dive into this template. So we just created a beautiful website, and you won't believe it, just one click and you have the same website. So now you're familiar with Elementor Page Builder, and you can customize it by your own, linked in the previous section. So right over here, we will build a website, and it takes two seconds or 20 seconds maybe, and then you have created your own website and you know how to customize it. Okay, so once this is loaded, it's finished. So right over here, it's loading and it's loading, and we will wait until it's done. Congratulations! Let's see the results. Okay, you create a beautiful website right now. We're gonna customize a little bit, and then we are done. So you can create any website for your business. Right over here. Teach you what RankMath is. RankMath is a plugin that you can use for search engines. So you will rank higher in the search engine. So if you don't know how it works, I'm gonna explain you step by step. So let's install RankMath right now. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. I've teach you how to install plugin. Right over here, I search for RankMath. And right over here, we will get the results right over here. So this got over 2 million installs. And I'll hit install now. So we will wait until it's loaded. So when it's installed, I click on activate. And when we activate the RankMath plugin, I'm going to explain you step by step how you use it. Just a little introduction. So you can connect your free account right over here. RankMath is a free plugin. I'll hit skip now. For now, we will have to set up. So we will do the easy setup in this case. So I'm going to navigate to easy and start wizard. Right over here, you can import your data from another plugin. So it's not needed in this case because we don't have another plugin than RankMath. I click also on skip, don't import now. Right over here, you define your site. What for site you got? In this case, we got like a small business site or personal blog. And you select here your organization type, and your website name right over here, and the other name, and the organization name, and right over here you can upload your logo. So if you don't know how to create a logo, you can create them on Fiverr.com. I will put a link in the resources. For €5 you got like a logo, and it's really cheap. So right over here I click save and continue. After saving and continue, you need to connect your RankMath account. So then we are ready. So I will hit connect RankMath account. Okay, so after I signed up, I just click continue and accept and log in with my Google account, and then I'm here. So right over here, I'm gonna hit save and continue. And we are nearly done with the plugin. Okay, your site is ready. Return to the dashboard. And now we successfully installed RankMath. In the next lecture, I will teach you how to use this. So I will see you soon. Teach you what RankMath is. RankMath is a plugin that you can use for search engines. So you will rank higher in the search engine. So if you don't know how it works, I'm going to explain you step by step. So let's install RankMath right now. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. I've teach you how to install plugin. Right over here, I search for RankMath. And right over here, we will get the results right over here. So this got over 2 million installs. And I'll hit install now. So we will wait until it's loaded. So when it's installed, I click on activate. And when we activate the RankMath plugin, I'm going to explain you step by step how you use it. Just a little introduction. So you can connect your free account right over here. RankMath is a free plugin. I'll hit skip now. For now, we will have to set up. So we will do the easy setup in this case. So I'm going to navigate to easy and start wizard. Right over here, you can import your data from another plugin. So it's not needed in this case because we don't have another plugin than RankMath. I click also on skip, don't import now. Right over here, you define your site. What for site you got? In this case, we got like a small business site or personal blog. And you select here your organization type and your website name right over here. And the other name and the organization name. And right over here, you can upload your logo. So if you don't know how to create a logo, you can create them on Fiverr.com. I will put a link in the resources. For €5, you got like a logo. And it's really cheap. So right over here, I click save and continue. After saving and continue, you need to connect your RankMath account. So then we are ready. So I will hit connect RankMath account. Okay, so after I signed up, I just click continue and accept and log in with my Google account. And then I'm here. So right over here, I'm going to hit save and continue. And we are nearly done with the plugin. Okay, your site is ready. Return to the dashboard. And now we successfully installed RankMath. In the next lecture, I will teach you how to use this. So I will see you soon. Okay people, in this lecture I will teach you how to use the RankMath SEO plugin. Right over here you have posts. So you will add right over here your homepage. So this will show up in Google. For example, my blog, flash blog, and right over here your description for in Google. Follow my new courses, and will show up right over there. And right over here you can set this if it's an article or if it's a blog post. I'll hit save changes. So right over here we just have set up our description. And right over here you can use tags. So you can first when you go look at the pages. So this is how your pages show up in Google. So you can do this for every page. I will show you soon. And right over here you have like the tags, and tags are like descriptions. So like words that can rank you higher. So Google knows which content is from you. So that Google knows which, for example, you have a course site. You will hit the keywords like course site or Udemy, for example. So Google knows that your content is about this. So that's actually a tag. So right over here, we're gonna jump into the next. So right over here, product tags, you can also add them there, and social meta. So right over here, you can add other things like Facebook pages and kind of stuff, and local SEO. So you can set if this is a person or organization, and that's a little bit how you use RankMath, but I'm going to show you in a post. So right over here is the post. I will hit all post, and I will show you how you do SEO for one post. So you see here keyword score. So now I want to show you a plugin that I know that is the best for me, and that is how you trace your website traffic. Right over here, gonna go to plugins, add new, and once we are at add new, we are right over here, and we're gonna hit the visitor traffic, and right over here we're gonna install the plugin, and it's up and running in a minute. Right over here, about 40,000 installs. I think it's the best one, but depends on you. And hit activate. So once it's activated, we will just click on this, on the green button, and ta-da, there you got your plugin. So now you can trace website traffic. So okay, you will see like over here the IP addresses and kind of stuff and the time when there are people online. So this is really useful, and I will see you soon.